studies. Hope all's going well. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Friends, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. You can check that playlist in my channel. Here we will learn about Microsoft Excel from the basic level. And also check the description box after the video ends. There I will give you the link of the data file of Excel which I am using in this video that will help you later. So let's begin, friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from me. So at first we are going to run the Excel software obviously, and after that I am going to run the OSK software, that is on screen keyboard, so that you can notice which keys I am clicking on my keyboard here. So today we are going to learn how to calculate a running total amount. I have created a file previously, so I am opening that file. Here it is. Suppose you have to calculate a running total. There you can use the sum formula with a mixed reference that creates an expanding range. In the example here, the formula in D4 will be just like that. Look carefully. The formula will be equals to sum, then first bracket open, then here you have to put the starting cell. In my case the starting cell is C4. Okay, so here you have to put C4 within the dollar symbol, just like that. $C $4, then put a colon here. Now you have to put the same cell number here but without putting the dollar sign, just like that. Look carefully. Again put the number, that is C4, then put close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. So now we are getting here 100 and there 100 also. After that, when we copy the formula from upside down, it will get a result like that. Look at here, friends. When it's 100, it's 100, but when it's 250, it's cross calculating with that, with adding this C5 and D4, that is 350. After the cell number C6, in the D6 cell you will get the result by adding the D6 and D5 cell number. So there you will get the result like that. You will have that running total amount here. So let's see, as we have put the dollar sign here, so when this formula is copied down the column, it correctly reports a running total on each row. So let's see how this formula actually works. This formula uses what is called a mixed reference to create an expanding range. A mixed reference is a reference that includes both absolute and relative parts. In this case, the sum formula refers to the range, that is C4 to C4. However, the first reference C4 is absolute and is entered like $C $4. This locks the reference so that it won't change when copied. After the colon, the reference is relative and appears as C4. This reference will change as the formula is copied down the column. Like that, here it has been like C5. So that's all for today, friends. See you soon, guys. Hopefully you will get a new video in every single day. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting us and stay tuned.